Hey, what's up, Silver Stackers? Thanks so much for being here. This is Silver Slayer. We got a silver unboxing to do. I love unboxing silver. There's something about it. It's also why silver is such an awesome investment, because you get to physically, hold it in your hands and wait for it to come. And I always track the shipping. I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing. I even like watching unboxing videos. Let me know if you do too. I don't know why. I'll sit there for hours upon hours on YouTube just watching silver unboxing videos. I even have an unboxing playlist on my channel. So if you want to go spend a couple hours watching me unbox silver that I've bought personally, you can. But anyways, yeah. Shout out Bullion Max, because they are by far the best bullion dealer online right now. It's incredible. A lot of them actually branched off from APMEX. This is like a branch off company from APMEX. And it's amazing. The packaging for this company is by far the best packaging. They have the best deals. They have a 5-ounce silver starter kit at below employee pricing. It's only one per household, so take advantage of it now, because I don't know how long it's going to last. But yeah, shout out to Bullion Max. I honestly am so grateful to be working with a company that is this good, because they genuinely are my favorite bullion dealer online. And you'll see what I mean once you see how good they package their silver. And that's one of the main ways to tell how good a company is how good they package it, because that shows how much they care. They put time into making sure the silver is there. If you get an unboxing and it's very poorly packaged and there's coins rattling around, that's not a good sign. But anyways, I also wanted to shout out, this is going to be funny, guys. I want to shout out my moderator, Joker's Wild. So usually in my unboxings, I'm using scissors, and in my last unboxing, he saw it. He texted me and said, "Bro, I gotta send you a knife. You can't be unboxing these packages, especially the way Bullion Max packages their silver, with scissors, bro." So he sent me this, but I was not expecting a knife like this. I was not expecting this. Watch this. Are you serious, Joker's Wild? Are you serious, bro? Thank you, though. Thank you. This thing is wicked. This thing is wicked. So anyways, let's jump into this. Man, I love unboxing silver. And this would be a pretty good unboxing too. This should be a good one. Here, let me make sure. I'm not trying to, I don't want to cut anything important in there, because I know this knife is really sharp, so I'm trying to be careful. I've never used it yet. Okay, we'll do it like that. We'll do it like that. And then we'll do this side. And I'll do it like this. He warned me. He was like, "Please don't cut yourself." Oh man, that cut's nice. Look at that. Look how nice that thing cut. See, if I was using scissors, I would still be trying to cut one of the parts. Okay, I think we can put the knife away. Let me see this. It's pretty. It's pretty durable. I mean, that thing is crazy. That thing is crazy. Okay. Now, here we go. Let me show you how Bullion Max packages their silver. This is why I love this company so much. Well, one of the reasons. So we have this layer just to keep the rattling. And then we have this. So it's a box inside of a box that's wrapped with bubble wrap inside of another box. So I guess I gotta get the knife back out. Okay. Okay. So we have a box inside of a box inside of another box inside of these two packages. I mean, are you serious? That's like 5 layers of protection to make sure your silver is secure. And that's why I know this company cares. Plus, they always give me silver to give away to you guys. I did a giveaway, a 55,000 subscriber silver giveaway, and they saw that I was doing a giveaway. They're like, "Yo, can we give the winner a 10-ounce bar? I was like, are you serious? And they're like, yeah, we want to give the winner something too. So they randomly also sent me a 10-ounce bar to send to the winner. They didn't have to do that. They contacted me and said they want to do that. So yeah, shout out to them. It's cool to see bullion dealers starting to work with, oh my gosh. I thought this was a silver unboxing. Okay, well, okay. Oops, there's another one in here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yes, oh yes. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. I'm excited. Oh, I know what this is. This is the winner's 10-ounce bar. So they were originally going to ship this to the winner from their warehouse, but the winner lives in Australia. So instead of sending 2 packages overseas with doing the customs, they said they'll just send me the bar, and then when I send, and here, I'll show you the winner's prizes right here. I have them. Here they are. So the winner of my recent giveaway got all this. 15 ounces. The winner of my giveaway got this 10-ounce bar. We got a 2022 New Britannia with the security feature. We got the new, I think this is called the Royal Arms, one of the most wicked coins, by the way. Oh yeah, I gotta focus on showing the silver in this video. I'm so bad at that. I'm so bad at doing that because it looks so good with the 4K camera. But I'm just so focused on unboxing the coins, I always forget to show. And one of my favorites. So yeah, the winner of my recent giveaway. This package is coming to you, my friend. This package is on the way to you. Man, that's heavy. Okay, now let's look at what I got. It's so crazy getting a 10-ounce bar and then being like, yep, I'm giving it away. Okay. All right, so let's look at this. So we got a Panda, 2015 Panda, one of the notorious pandas because, see, there's no date right there. See, there's no dates on these. Got 3 2015 Pandas. Usually it would say 39's fine right there, but it doesn't. That's the only year of the Panda where they don't list that, and it actually makes it more collectible because it's different. You know, anytime a coin is different or unique, it makes the coin collectible. So anyways, we got a Philharmonic, and then we also got a Maple Leaf. I think this is what year is this? It's a 2022 Maple Leaf, and then this is the, assuming 2022, yep, 2022 Philharmonic. So we got 3 Pandas, we got a Philharmonic and a Maple Leaf, and then we have this. This is a 5 gram, yep, I knew it, 5 gram Vocambi bar from the Swiss company, or Vocambi Swiss. This thing is wicked. Now, Bullion Max actually is, and I don't think the deal's up yet. If it is, I'll comment down below. But they're going to be having this deal at spot. Literally at spot price. No premium attached at all. That is also one of the reasons I love Bullion Max. I mean, and honestly, the thing about the company is, they could be making more money, but they're trying to give really good deals to let people know, you know, hey, we care about you guys, we want good deals, and then that could bring in new buyers, you know, customers, because they're a newer company. I think that's a great business model to use, you know, have the best prices online to show people and, you know, give away silver to YouTubers or the audience of YouTubers, and just to, you know, let people know they care, and then hopefully those people keep going through them. And they're always going to have some type of deal, like the silver starter kit. Once that ends, this deal is going to pick right back up. And I'm sure another deal, once this, you know, runs its course, will be also. But anyways, but yeah, look at this thing. So obviously you never want to take take this out of the package. Now, I could, but when I'm gonna resell this, wouldn't you think it's going to be easier to resell it like this compared to just the bar? Especially with, you know, fake silver and gold out there. You always got to think about your potential buyer. Just like this 10-ounce bar. I could easily take it out of this. This is just a 10-ounce generic bar. But if you were going to buy from someone on eBay and someone had it in this or just the raw bar, wouldn't you rather get it in something that's never been opened in the original casing? You got to think about that. Another thing I do, I always think about how I'll be able to sell that coin before I buy it, right? I always think about how, before I even click buy, I'm thinking about how I'll be able to sell that coin or bar. So yeah, this is what I got today. Got a 5-gram gold bar, a 2022 Maple Leaf. We got the 2022 Philharmonic. We got 3 2015 Pandas, the notorious Pandas. And actually, I'll bring up the winner's silver too, just to have a whole bunch of silver in screen. I'll separate the winner's silver from mine. So, man, this 10-ounce bar, man, I love them. I have a couple myself. Look at the 10-ounce bar to the one compared to the 1-gram bar. It's funny. But the 1-gram bar is wide. See, this is, you know, this bar is 10 times heavier, or 9 times, I guess. But the 1-ounce bar is really wide. I like that. And that's because it's so thin. But yeah, so 10-ounce bar. Just a lot of silver to play with. Lots of different silver. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you think that this video is worthy of a subscription, then click subscribe. I'm never going to ask you to subscribe in the beginning. I want to wait until the end, because if you think that you enjoyed this video enough, or you think that this was worthy of subscription, then click subscribe, right? I don't like when people ask to subscribe right when the video starts, because it's like, I haven't given you any substance. I haven't given you any content, right? So hopefully now you see the content, and if you think it's worthy of a subscription, then please subscribe. I do lots of unboxings. I do lots of giveaways. I do lots of different types of content. Very diverse type of channel, very diverse. And hopefully you stick around. I'm going to wrap this video up here. Shout out to Joker's Wild for sending me that knife. Shout out to Bullion Max. I love you all. Go to Silver Slayer, or go to bullionmax.com/Silver Slayer for the silver starter kit. I'll let you know when the 5-gram gold deal goes at spot. It might be up. I don't think it is, but it's 5 grams of gold at spot price, and it's in one of these casings, which makes it even better. So yeah, this is also the new Royal Arms that just got released. I think this coin is so wicked, by the way. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Shout out to the winner that won 15 ounces of silver as well. This is Silver Slayer. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.